right in front of the car. Hello, welcome to the stable where we break more things than we repair. Oh, all jokes aside, we're building a 65 Canyon carving Mustang. We're still waiting on the transmission for that Mustang in order for us to progress and install and fabricate the motor mounts and all that good stuff. But the Mustang isn't the topic of this video. The topic of this video is, this is a 2020 Honda Grom that sadly, within its life, was a victim of theft. It doesn't take very much to notice that this Grom has been through some stuff. Not only did they change the color of the bike, but they also added all this livery, which looks to be hand painted, so A for effort. The brake pedal has also been bent out of shape, as well as the brake lever, which gives us a good indication it was dropped a couple times. Of course, some cracked fender flares, and I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but there's a seat missing. Ow. Out of all the hints that prove this motorcycle is stolen, this one's my favorite one. Nothing says stolen like a toggle switch on a 2020 vehicle. I guess that explains why it didn't come with keys. Without keys, how am I supposed to access the fuel tank? What would a thief do? Hell yeah. Oh, that smells old. Let's close it back up. I guess it wouldn't have mattered if it came with keys because the entire ignition cylinder is missing. I guess it's no surprise that the seat release cylinder is also missing. And with these codes, I believe that the motorcycle was orange in its early stages of life. Let's see if we can get this thing started. Step 1, battery. I also bought a tender because it seems like motorcycle batteries like to be... Did you guys hear that? It sounded like a fuel pump. Oh, it's because the positive is barely making contact. Yes, sir, we're getting some noises, signs of life. I'm gonna flip the toggle switch, see if we got anything. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, I forgot this was a low mile Grom. It only has 1,180 miles on it. Okay, so we have some signs of life. Let's see if it'll start. I'm not getting anything off of the switch. Oh God. Here we go again. Fully restored. Oh God. That scared me. Neutral safety switch. No. Oh, I think I know what it is. It's probably the kickstand. Yes, sir. Probably got a lot of old gas. Well, it started. Okay, so we got it started. The throttle response was a bit choppy, but I assume it's because of the old fuel. What's the best way to get rid of old fuel? Yeah, right, this thing gets like 1,000 mpgs. When am I ever gonna empty the tank? Pretend that didn't happen. I think I have another idea on how to go through that fuel. Oh, let's do it. Let's do this thing. So the Grom is feeling pretty good. I don't feel it doing anything it's not supposed to. The cool thing about a auction bike is you don't really care what you do with it. Let's go to the mountain. This is full throttle, by the way. It's not doing anything. And if anybody's wondering, I do have my motorcycle license. Come on. Really think we'd be out here doing illegal things? No. Oh, that's dangerous. I haven't been on a bike in years. Well, I'm riding a half motorcycle with no seat. Is it illegal to drive a motorcycle with no seat? Full throttle. We're gonna hit the mountain and then we're gonna refuel. I haven't done a biker wave in who knows how long. Oh my God, I'm having so much fun. Full throttle. Let's give it a tuck so we can hit top speed. I'm doing full throttle and I still couldn't catch up to that Corolla. Whatever. I don't know why I hadn't done this before. I love this bike already. You thought you were gonna get a Mustang video, instead you got a MotoVlog. I wish there was like a jump or something. I want to do some dumb stuff with this. I'm gonna hit full throttle and we're not gonna catch up to that Corolla. Okay, but that's because he's slowing down for that speed bump right there, not because we're fast. I wonder how long this thing hasn't been used, how long it sat at the auction for. I spun out here one time in a Miata, not because I was trying to do anything illegal, but because the road was right. This thing is so underpowered. I believe I could fly. Let's jump this. Oh God. And if you're wondering why I'm squidding it right now, and by squidding I mean with no jacket, like I said, the last time I rode a bike was 3 years ago, which was like 3 sizes ago. So my motorcycle jacket no longer fits me. Full throttle. This battery is like going up my butt. I love this so much. I haven't been riding in forever. The motorcycle wave feels so nostalgic. I used to have a Honda Rebel 500. That was one of the coolest bikes I've had. But I started off with a Honda Magna. Wow, I've only owned Honda motorcycles now that I realize. Most people say you shouldn't start with anything above a 300 for your first bike, but I went straight to a 750 because, well, I'm dumb. That bike was stupid fast. It was a V4 engine, so it had 4 cylinders in a motorcycle. That's so ridiculous, and it had 1 carburetor per cylinder. So that thing was quick. Wow, what a beautiful day. This is so awesome. Let's stop right here to take some pictures. Wow, it is a very nice day today. Once again, this is a 2020 Honda Grom with no seat. It's seen some abuse in its life, but it's finally getting ridden around like it deserves to. I'm so glad we did this today. I know this wasn't a Mustang video, but I needed this for the soul. Absolutely. So we've managed to take down one of the little bars, so it's not completely full. So we can add a little bit of new fuel now. Alright, we've come back for our handy dandy screwdriver. Okay, we've made it to the gas station, got our handy dandy screwdriver, breaking into the bike right in front of the cop. We added a total of $1. I promise. Why did the chicken cross the road? Why are there chickens out here? What if I can grab one? Nope, that one's fast. Ow. Alright, set of helmet hair later. That was such an awesome ride. I forgot how much I love being on motorcycles. If any of you guys are fellow bike riders, let me know down in the comments. I'm curious to see how much of my viewers ride motorcycles. I'm not too sure what to do with this bike, if I should sell it as is or fix it up. Let me know what you guys think I should do with it, because I've had it for a year and it's just been there. As for the pony sitting behind us, we will get back to it in the next video. I want to thank you guys for your patience. I know it's been 2 videos since we last worked on the Mustang, but we are working as fast as we can afford. With that being said, thank you to everybody who watched this video, and thank you to our Patreons. I will see you guys on the next one.